Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of made in China. If we go to settings, here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about the application of made in China and we click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about made in China. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you.